Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef, and today we're going to prepare a delicious Spanish-style Russian salad, a dish full of history and flavor. Before we get started, let's explore its fascinating origins. Russian salad traces its roots back to the 19th century in a Moscow restaurant run by Belgian chef Lucien Olivier. His original version was a gastronomic luxury that included ingredients such as pheasant caviar and lobster, all combined with secret sauce that was considered the soul of the dish. Over time, this recipe evolved into a simpler and more accessible salad, now celebrated worldwide for its flavor and versatility. In Spain, this dish acquired its own identity and became popular as a tapa in bars and family gatherings. The simpler Spanish variation typically includes potatoes, carrots, peas, tuna, and mayonnaise, although each region adds its own special touch. In some places, like Murcia, it is served as part of the tapa called marinara, which combines a Russian salad with an anchovy on top of an oval-shaped breadstick. It is a dish that has become a symbol of creativity and tradition in Spanish cuisine. To prepare this delicious Spanish-style Russian salad, you'll need potatoes, eggs, sliced green olives, peeled carrots, green beans, tuna belly, ventresca, mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt. The quantities of each ingredient can vary depending on the number of people you're cooking for and, of course, your personal taste. This dish is so versatile that you can adapt it to your preferences without losing its essence. Let's get started. In a pot with boiling water and a pinch of salt, add the potatoes and carrots. Let them cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are tender. The cooking time may vary depending on the size of the pieces, so it's best to check with a fork before removing them from the heat. In another pot, place the eggs and cover them with water. Bring them to a boil and let them cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Once ready, immediately transfer them to a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process and make peeling easier. This step ensures the eggs are perfectly prepared for our Russian salad. Cook the green beans in boiling water with a pinch of salt for 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender but slightly firm. Once ready, drain them and let them cool. If you prefer, you can use peas as an alternative, as they also offer a delicious flavor and perfect texture for this dish. Cut all the ingredients into small cubes and place them in a bowl. Gently mix the pieces to ensure they are well combined, while keeping the texture of each intact. Gradually add the mayonnaise, ensuring it is evenly distributed. Stir gently to achieve a homogeneous and appetizing mixture. And voila! Bon appetit! For the finishing touch, remember to let the Russian salad rest in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours before serving. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,